already, huh?
Wind's blowing pretty good. Hopefully you can hear me all right. This is our campsite. We moved. We're still on BLM land near Quartzite. There she is. I got my chair all set up because I got a beautiful view over here. There's a few people over there, but got the beautiful view of the mountains. These two big cactus over here. So I was sitting in the chair just reading, looking out over the mountains. And there's a van right in the way. I'm gonna go talk to him. He's blocking my view. These cactuses just amaze me though, how big they are. I'm gonna get underneath it and look up. I mean, these things are like trees. This thing's gotta be 30 feet tall. Hey, you mind moving? You're blocking my view of the mountains. I was sitting in my chair looking.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm going to move right now. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, where do you want you to move? Over there at the side?
Yeah, I don't know. I know you were here first and all, but...
No, but I'll
okay.
Ah!
So, how long has it been?
An hour.
About an hour
I
for
would
this
say
water to
about
boil?
that.
Yeah.
Did I say a few minutes?
I think you said a few minutes, yeah.
Well, I mean, a few minutes to you could be a few hours to me.
Obviously.
Look, I'm in no rush. I'm over here enjoying my time. I don't have a schedule.
Yeah, that's the
My
best
dinner
part.
could be done
Yeah.
at midnight.
Yeah.
Where am I going to go tomorrow?
Right.
I'm just going to go for a walk.
Yeah, that's the best part about it.
Yeah. I don't have to go to work tomorrow. I don't have to be up at 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So
Life is good.
that's what I do when I'm working. I get up at 4:30. I get to work by 5. Make my breakfast, you know, and I have 2 hours until 7. Then go to work for 8, 10, 12 hours, and then repeat. Oh, I should fix this. I found this little stick in the desert.
Yeah. That little stick.
It's a little stick I found.
No, that was in the box that we bought,
No,
remember?
yeah. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry, it wasn't in the box.
Yeah, I don't know how they fit it in there. It was quite amazing.
I misspoke.
Yeah.
Well, if this falls on you,
I was just gonna say, maybe
do not
we should
blame me.
back up a little.
Do not blame me for that.
Backing up.
It is not my fault. I'm from the East Coast. I don't know how to do this stuff. See, no worries.
No, yeah.
We're
I
good.
got it covered.
Okay. Look at all that hot all around.
Woo-hoo, I'm gonna need a flashlight.
There you go.
There you go.
Finally.
Boil, darn it!
5 hours later.
Making
Yeah,
me,
5 hours later.
it's making me look bad.
At least the stick finally caught fire.
Oh yeah, look at there.
Yeah,
I'm really in no rush.
that's good.
Sometimes the coals are bigger and the wood is a little bit different.
Yeah.
If the wood is a little bit harder, then the coals stay hot longer,
Right.
and the thing boils faster. Oh darn it! That's what I should have used less. I should have used less sticks.
Yeah, you're gonna melt your handle.